as we know, reading skills, vocabulary skills, speaking and communicating skills are part of our life, and indeed it's a part of everyone's life. And we, as the students of this country, the Philippines, we must learn how to read better and how to speak not only fluently but proficiently, and communicate better than before. So our group believe that every one of us can still excel by means of by by means of reading and enhancing our written abilities. Moreover by studying vocabulary words. So I believe that a genius person knows and appreciates uh, the way of learning, and he or she applies it. So we believe that you as the audience will apply what you've learned today, and that's all. Thank you, man.